Lucy, do the dance with little Arabella.
Lucy?
Lucy. That's it. Make her dance.
Wow.
Okay, now we'll ask you to do Gramps.
Say Gramps. Where's Gramps? Can you say Gramps? Gramps.
Gramps.
Are you coming up here? You gonna come up? Can you say Gramps? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. How you doing?
Gramps.
Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Are you my buddy? Huh? Are you my buddy? Yeah? Are you my pal?
Ask her to say Grammy.
Can you say Grammy?
No, not at Grammy.
Well, she made it was Gramps. Gramps. Cupcake, that's right. That's a cupcake. You're a little cupcake. You're a little cupcake. Yes, you are. You're a little cupcake. Hi. Hi, my little cupcake. Are you going to eat that whole... Oh, my God. Are you kidding me?
She must be hungry again.
She got that all in her mouth. How'd you get that in your big old mouth, huh? How'd you get that in your mouth? Now where you going? Now where you going? What's this? What is that?
Straight jacket.
Oh, yeah. Let's roll them up. Where's the hand?
She's doing magic tricks. She can make her hand disappear.
Hi. Wow. Wow. Are you just hanging out? Are you just hanging out? Hmm? Are you just hanging out? Mm-hmm. Just hanging? Just hanging.
Just hanging.